Have you ever wondered how a few strategically placed spiders can transform an ordinary home into a creepy Halloween spectacle? Looking for Halloween spider decorating ideas inspired by giant spiders, oversized webs, haunted porches, glowing eyes, crawling infestations, spooky trees, and dramatic yard displays? Curious how spider-themed decorations can create instant Halloween atmosphere without requiring a massive decorating budget? And wondering how to design spider displays that look both terrifying and creative during the day, and even more frightening after dark? Stay with us, because today we're exploring Halloween spider decorating ideas for spooky, creative, and unforgettable seasonal displays. Why are spiders such a popular Halloween decoration? Spiders have become one of Halloween's most recognizable symbols because they instantly create an eerie and unsettling atmosphere. Even a single spider decoration can make a space feel abandoned, haunted, or mysterious. Their versatility allows them to fit into everything from elegant Gothic displays to over-the-top haunted house scenes. Whether used indoors or outdoors, spiders add texture, movement, and visual drama that help bring Halloween decorations to life. What Halloween themes work best with spider decorations? Spider decorations work beautifully with a wide variety of Halloween themes. Haunted forests, abandoned mansions, creepy crawlies, giant insect invasions, Gothic graveyards, haunted attics, and classic spooky Halloween displays all pair naturally with spiders and webs. They can also be incorporated into witch-themed scenes, haunted gardens, and even family-friendly displays with playful cartoon spiders. Because spiders are so adaptable, they can become either the main attraction or a supporting detail within a larger Halloween story. If you love Halloween decorating ideas, like this video and share it with someone planning a spooky Halloween display. How can giant spiders create dramatic curb appeal? Oversized spiders immediately grab attention and can become the focal point of an entire Halloween display. Place giant spiders on roofs, garages, fences, porches, or climbing the side of your house to create a larger-than-life effect. Their size makes them visible from across the street and helps establish a spooky theme before visitors even reach the front door. Adding multiple spiders throughout the yard can make it appear as though your home has been completely overrun. What spider web decorating ideas create the biggest impact? Large webs are one of the easiest ways to create dramatic Halloween atmosphere. Stretch webbing across porches, bushes, trees, railings, windows, and fences to create the appearance of a giant infestation. Layering different sections of webbing helps add depth and realism to the display. When illuminated at night, oversized webs become even more visible and create a striking visual effect that ties the entire scene together. Tell us in the comments your favorite spider-themed Halloween decoration. How can spiders transform a front porch? A spider-themed porch creates an unforgettable first impression for guests and trick-or-treaters. Combine giant spiders, web-covered railings, pumpkins, lanterns, skeletons, and dramatic lighting to create a layered Halloween scene. Hanging spiders from above can add movement and surprise, while strategically placed webs help frame the entrance. The result is a welcoming yet spooky display that instantly sets the tone for the rest of your decorations. What yard decorating ideas work well with spiders? Spider-themed yard displays can range from subtle to spectacular. Create spider nests hidden among landscaping, web-covered pathways leading to the front door, giant cocoon scenes hanging from trees, or entire sections of the yard that appear infested. Combining spiders with tombstones, skeletons, fog machines, and pathway lighting adds depth and storytelling. These layered scenes encourage visitors to explore the display and discover new details throughout the yard. For more Halloween decor ideas, check out our full playlist in the description below. How can trees become part of a spider display? Trees provide the perfect structure for creating large-scale spider decorations. Cover branches with webs, suspend spiders at different heights, and hide glowing eyes among the foliage for a creepy surprise. Large trees can become the centerpiece of a spider infestation theme, while smaller trees can serve as supporting elements throughout the yard. At night, strategic lighting can make the entire tree appear alive with crawling creatures. What indoor spider decorations are most effective? Spider-themed decorations work surprisingly well indoors when used thoughtfully. Spider garlands draped across mantels, hanging spiders suspended from ceilings, web-covered bookshelves, Halloween centerpieces, and decorated staircases can all add seasonal charm. Small clusters of spiders placed in unexpected locations help create subtle surprises throughout the home. Indoor displays can be spooky without overwhelming everyday decor. Subscribe for more Halloween styling and seasonal decorating ideas. How can glowing eyes make spider displays creepier? Glowing eyes create suspense because they suggest something lurking in the darkness. Hidden LED eyes tucked into webs, bushes, trees, or behind decorations instantly draw attention after sunset. The contrast between darkness and glowing eyes makes displays feel more alive and mysterious. Even simple spider decorations become significantly more dramatic when paired with strategically placed glowing effects. What lighting works best with spider decorations? Lighting plays a major role in bringing spider displays to life after dark. Purple, green, orange, red, and cool white spotlights all create different moods depending on the atmosphere you want to achieve. Side lighting helps highlight spider shapes, while uplighting makes webs more visible among trees and landscaping. Combining multiple lighting sources creates depth and ensures that both spiders and webs remain visible from different angles. Love these Halloween spider decorating ideas. Find similar decor items linked in the description below. How can spider-themed displays be family-friendly? Not every spider display needs to be frightening. Cartoon-style spiders with smiling faces, colorful decorations, playful web designs, and whimsical Halloween characters can create a fun atmosphere for younger children. Bright colors and friendly expressions help make spider themes feel festive rather than scary. Family-friendly displays allow everyone to enjoy the decorations while still embracing Halloween tradition. What DIY spider decorations are easy to make? DIY spider decorations are affordable, fun to create, and highly customizable. Pipe cleaner spiders, painted foam spiders, paper cutouts, yarn webs, hanging decorations, and recycled material crafts can all be made using basic supplies. These projects are perfect for families, classrooms, and community decorating events. Handmade decorations also add personality and uniqueness that make displays feel more creative and memorable. Explore more Halloween inspiration in our recommended videos listed in the description. How can multiple spiders create a Halloween story? Groups of spiders can transform a simple display into a complete Halloween scene. Arrange spiders as if they are building webs, guarding pumpkins, protecting treasure, invading a haunted house, or taking over the landscape. Storytelling elements help visitors engage more deeply with the display and encourage them to look closer. The more connected the scene feels, the more memorable it becomes. What small details make the biggest impact? Often it's the smallest details that make a spider display truly impressive. Layered webbing, realistic spider placement, cocoon props, hanging decorations, glowing eyes, subtle movement, and coordinated color palettes all contribute to the overall atmosphere. These finishing touches help create realism and make the display feel thoughtfully designed. Attention to detail can elevate even the simplest decorations. If you enjoy spooky decorating ideas, make sure to subscribe for weekly inspiration. How can you create impressive spider decorations on a budget? Creating a dramatic spider display doesn't require spending a fortune. DIY webs, homemade spiders, dollar store supplies, recycled materials, affordable lighting, and strategic placement can produce incredible results. Focus on a strong theme, effective lighting, and creative storytelling rather than purchasing large numbers of expensive decorations. Atmosphere, imagination, and thoughtful design almost always have a greater impact than budget. Halloween spider decorating is one of the easiest and most effective ways to create a spooky seasonal atmosphere. By combining giant spiders, oversized webs, glowing eyes, dramatic lighting, haunted trees, porch displays, and creative DIY projects, you can transform an ordinary home into an unforgettable Halloween destination. Whether your style is creepy, elegant, family-friendly, haunted house-inspired, or over-the-top dramatic, spider decorations offer endless opportunities for creativity. With thoughtful placement and attention to detail, even a few spiders can make your Halloween display feel larger, scarier, and more immersive than ever before. If you enjoyed these Halloween spider decorating ideas, like this video and share it with friends decorating for Halloween. Tell us your favorite spider-themed Halloween display in the comments below. Explore our Halloween Decor playlist in the description for more inspiration. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more Halloween styling and seasonal decoration ideas every week. Looking for more inspiration? Check out similar videos linked in the description. Find Decor items featured in this video through the links provided in the description.